Security matter na for everybody. Report any Kurukere Waka for your area to any security agency. Acting Governor Philip Shaibu. Edo State Acting Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu don yarn Edo pipo say security na everybody responsibility. Make dem shine their eye wella and report any Kurukere Waka to security agencies. E yarn dis one wen e dey tok to tori pipo for di weekly Security Council meeting wey shele for Thursday for Government House, Benin City. E tok say dis meeting dey important sake of say government use am get feedback from di meeting wey traditional leaders get with their local government council leaders on top security matter for their communities.
Included the State Security Council meeting, which had the local government acting chairman in attendance, all the 18 local government, and also representative from the committee that was set up for Eyama and Boundary Road were also in attendance. But most importantly, the meeting was to appraise all the security situation in the state, flowing from the order that was given to the local government council to in conjunction with the traditional rulers in their various domains. So we wanted to get feedback from them on how those directives have been carried out.
You go remember say last week for one emergency security meeting wey Edo State Acting Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu get with traditional leaders, security agencies and local government council on top security matter for the state. Wey e yarn dem say make dem hold compulsory meeting for their local government councils to chook mouth for security matter wey dey affect their community. E con tok say the meeting wey hold for the 18 local government dey very fruitful and e dey happy say the traditional rulers, vigilantes and hunters cooperate with government order to clear the forest for their communities.
Interestingly, the meetings were held across all the local government and the organs and the security agencies in all the local government and the traditional rulers, hunters and the vigilante carried out orders to clear our bushes, and a lot of revelations were given, and it's still work in progress, and satisfactorily we are happy that we have cooperations from village health and the clan heads, the Ojowiris and the vigilantes and hunters are working hand in hand with our divisional area police officers and security agencies. So we are happy that we are having positive feedback from these actions. But most importantly, we still want to solicit that our people should know that the security of lives and property is all our collective responsibility. If they see anything, they should say it. We should be vigilant. We should not relax. We should not think these people have gone. We should just be very vigilant and alert in our various residence and business areas. But we should go about our normal duties without looking for trouble, and to reassure us that the security agencies and all what we have put in place, I will use the word, is work in progress and is yielding positive results.
Commissioner for Police Abutu Yaro con chook mouth say the security matter na work in progress, say make the people report any Kurukere Waka to the security agencies.
I think it's an ongoing process. His Excellency has summarized it all as work in progress. You see something untoward happening in your environment, report to the appropriate authority, to the vigilantes, to your traditional rulers, to political leaders, to government functionaries, to police, to military, to whoever has authority over situations, so that through that, we work in synergy to continuously dominate the security environment. And that's what we are doing. Very proactive at our frontier locations. We've put sufficient dragnet. And it does appear to me that, knowing too well that the security architecture of Edo is top-notch to detention and prevention, most of them have avoided coming to Edo territory since the discharged themselves out of confinement in the last 2 weeks. So far, we are good to go.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.